Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Children, today we will learn the examples for converting direct speech into indirect speech. In previous class, we learned the meaning of direct speech and indirect speech and the rules we have to follow while changing direct speech into indirect speech or reported speech. Correct? So what are the rules we have to follow? So first and foremost, we have to use conjunction that in reported speech. Correct? Next is we have to remove the inverted commas. Correct? Next we have to change the tenses. So when the reported verb, that is first verb in a sentence is past tense, then reported speech should also be in past tense or should be changed to past tense. Correct? Next we have to change the tenses. Next, we have to change the pronouns in the reported speech. Next, if they have mentioned the time and place, we have to change the time and place in reported speech. Right, children? So today we will start with the textbook activity. So what they have given first question? So first is change the direct speech into reported speech. The first question is, Clara said, all I have is this string of beads. It is very precious. My grandmother gave it to me. Correct. This is the first question which is in reported speech. Now what are the changes we have to make? So first is I will write the first word, two words as it is. Right? Clara said. Now next what we have to use? We have to use conjunction that. Right? Clara said that. Right? Next what we have to do? We have to remove the inverted commas. Right? Clara said that on. Now pronoun I. So next we have to change the pronoun. On I. So here I is referring to Clara. So what pronoun we have to use? So all that she. She. Right? Next have. So have is in present tense. So we have to change have into past tense. Then it becomes all she had. All she had. So the verb is in present tense, is. So what we have to do? We have to change that verb into past tense. Then what does is become? So all she had was. Now, this will be converted into that. Right? Clara said that all she had was that string of beads. That string of beads. Now, it will be written or will remain as it is. Next, present tense verb will be changed to past tense. Next, is will become was. It was very precious. Very precious will remain as it is. Very precious. Very precious. Next, my grandmother. So here my is referring to Clara. Then what does my becomes? My becomes her. Her grandmother. Her grandmother gave is already in past tense. So we will write it as it is. Her mother gave it to. So here we have pronoun me. So what does me become? Pronoun me becomes her. Her grandmother gave it to her. And as to children, we have changed tenses, we have changed the pronouns, we have changed present tense verbs into past tense verb. Correct? And also we have removed the words which are in inverted commas and we have used the conjunction that. Children, I hope you have understood the changes what we have to make while converting direct speech sentences into indirect speech. So next we will move to next question. So next question is, Clara exclaimed, I can prove that it is wrong because I can't turn anything into gold. The sentence is in direct speech. Now what the changes we have to make? So first, Clara exclaimed, said, whatever we want we can write. So okay, Clara exclaimed. So within these two words we can write anything. Exclaimed, or whatever the verb is it, same verb we can write, or we can write it as said, asked. Okay. So Clara exclaimed that. Now we have pronoun I, possessive pronoun. So what does possessive pronoun changes into? Clara explained that she, I is referring to Clara, right? I is referring to Clara. So I will become she. She can. So we have modal auxiliary can in present tense. So can will become could. All. So Clara explained that she could prove that it will remain same, and is in past tense. The verb is in past tense. So we have to change it into, sorry, is in present tense. Is in present tense. So we have to change it into past tense. Then it will remain as it is, and is will be changed to was. It was wrong because, so here I is referring to Clara. So I will be changed to she. Can't. So here it is can't. So the word is in negative form. So we will write as it is. She can't turn anything into gold. Into gold. Understood, children? Next, Clara asked, can you help me this last time? So Clara asked, can you help me this last time? So sentence is in direct speech, then we have to change it into reported speech. Now next, what are the rules we have to follow? Clara asked or Clara requested. So here she is requesting, help me, right? So now we will use the word requested. So Clara requested, can is in present tense, then can will be converted to could, past tense. Clara requested, could. So you. So here you is referring to Rumpelstiltskin in the lesson, right? In the story. So here you will become him. Could he, sorry. You will be converted to he. Understood? Clara requested, could he. So you is referring to Rumpelstiltskin in the story, in the lesson. So here you will be converted to he. Could he help? So me is referring to Clara, then it will be converted to her. Could he help her? So this will be converted to that. That last time. That last time. Understood, children? The question is in direct speech. That is, Clara asked, can you help me this last time? So we have to change it into reported speech. Now here she is asking for help. Help me. So we have used the word requested. Clara requested. Can will be changed to could. Okay. You is referring to Rumpelstiltskin in the story. So pronoun you will be changed to he. Could he help? Help will remain as it is. Then here me is referring to Clara. So here me will be changed to her. That this will be changed to that last time. Clara requested, could he help her that last time? Understood, children? Next, we will go on to next question. Children, the next question is, Rumpelstiltskin asked, why do you cry? Tell me your sorrow. So the sentence is in WH question, right? So here we are asking WH question, why? So the changes should be as Rumpelstiltskin, it remains as it is. Rumpelstiltskin question. Why? Because we have used WH question. So question, why do you cry? Instead of do, so we will not use do that is positive do form in reported speech. And we have negative do form, that is didn't or did not, doesn't. So these words will be used in reported speech, but positive do form will not be used in reported speech. So question, why she? You is referring to Clara, so you will be changed to she. Now cry is in present tense, so cry will be changed to past tense, that is cried. Why she cried? And tell me your sorrow. So tell me your sorrow. The changes is only we can change the pronouns. Okay, and next before changing the pronoun we should add and. We should add conjunction and. Right. Rumpelstiltskin questioned. Rumpelstiltskin questioned why she cried and tell him. Tell will remain as it is. Me will be changed to him. And your will be changed to her. And sorrow will remain as it is. Understood? Rumpelstiltskin questioned why she cried and tell him her sorrow. Understood, children? Next, last question. The queen asked, how were you able to do that? How were you able to do that? So here the question. So here the queen is asking question to Clara, right? So what are the changes we have to make? The queen questioned. So here we have WH question, how. So the word should be as questioned. The queen questioned how. So were is used for plural pronoun. But here the queen is asking for Clara. That is singular noun. So here were will be changed to was. How was. You is referring to Clara. So you will be converted to she. How was she able? How was she able to do that? Children, the queen questioned how was she able to do that? Children, I hope you have understood the changes what we have to make while converting direct speech into indirect speech. In next class, I'll come up with new topic. Thank you, children.